So the following one is, what is the most important parameter when organizing a meeting? All right, so this is a big one. This is a big one because meeting is probably the crucial working unit while we work in organization. So generally we have meetings with the people, we agree what we want to do, and then actually we perform actions. And meeting is certainly one of the elements where we can be efficient and gain a lot, but also, and very often, we lose huge amount of time. And now, what is the most important parameter? So there are many parameters, but if I would need to choose one, that is this clarity about outcome. Meaning that we have to know why we are gathering, right? So let's say that we want to align how we will create a certain application, let's say. So this has to be a light until, at the end of the tunnel. This has to be our guiding element. So if you stray from this topic, if you start to talk about something that is completely unrelated, and that happens very often, actually you will end up losing not only 1 hour, for example, of your time, but you lose 1 hour of everyone's time. So the cost of such a meeting is not only 1 hour of one person's time, but it is actually multiplied. It is actually multiplied by the number of persons taking that meeting. So it is not even responsible, it is not professional to lose. It is not even responsible to lose everyone's time in that sense. So clarity about outcome, and then if you have this knowledge where you go, the next important parameter is definitely agenda. So what we will talk about, what are the topics that we will cover. Then you can add certain documents. You can prepare your meeting. You can invite only appropriate persons who are interested in the topic, and so on and so on. Meeting preparation is something that is a huge topic. But if I would need to answer on this question with the one parameter and what is the most important parameter for organizing meeting, is definitely clarity about outcome. But then you have bunch of other parameters: how to prepare meeting, how to organize the time, and so on and so on.